it's hard to say. Look, people sitting far away will say things, sometimes with application of mind, sometimes not, sometimes the self-interest, sometimes carelessly. That will happen. But at the end of the day, I can tell you, whatever you might say, in this day and age, countries are more, I don't want to say they become more selfish, but they will do things only if it is of direct benefit to them. They will offer you free advice. If something happens, they'll say, no, please don't do that. It worries us if there is tension. Sometimes you hear people saying, like it happened during Operation Sindhu. Now, if you ask them, saying, oh, really, you're worried? Why don't you look at your own region and ask yourself, what are the levels of violence there? How much risks have you taken? How much worry the rest of us have about what you are doing? But, that's the nature of the world. People, what they say is not what they do. And we have to accept it in that spirit as well.